Hey, how are you guys today? Okay, so in today's information, so we don't see an entrance slip. All right. Instead, what we're going to do is we're revisiting. We're kind of pouring everything in together from the last few lessons. So a lesson 4, lesson 5, day 1, lesson 5, day 2. We mix it all together, and we make you kind of make your decisions of what to end up doing, how to solve each of the problems. So let's get into it. Get to your classwork. All right. We want to get yourself into your lesson. Um, Lesson 4 classwork. All right. Pause it if you need to. All right. I'm going to bring mine up here. All right. I just got mine there a little bit faster. Okay. All right. So here I am. I'm at lesson number, I'm sorry, lesson 3. Lesson 3. And what we want to kind of take our trip down memory lane, and again, pause the video to get there if you need to. All right. Is we're going to take a look at question number 3. And the idea here was this is when we first began tape diagrams. If you notice here, we've got the ratio, the number of girls to boys in class is 3 to 2. So made our tape diagram, 3 boxes for the girls, 2 for the boys. And the big thing is that there were 15 girls in class. So the 15 went with the girls because, well, that's what the 15 is describing. So as we move forward in lesson 5, day 1, now they're not using, hey, there's, this many boys, this many girls, but that word of total is coming out, or 100 total of 195 campers. So what we realized is that 195 is not going with just one of them; it's going with both of them, which is why we put it off to the side. The main thing here is we have to divide it by all of the boxes because again, that 195 went with all the campers or the total of boys and girls. So that's why we took the 195 and divided by 15. Remember, calculus can come out to play. I think that's definitely one that's worthwhile. And then what we saw in the lesson 2 is they didn't say how many basketballs there were here in question 1. They didn't tell you how many volleyballs there were. They didn't say there was a total of 60. There were 60 more. So because of that word more that's in there, this is where we drew that line. All right. And it shows where there are more boxes. And now we can clearly see that, hey, there were 2 more boxes. So that 60's got to go only with the 2 boxes. Then I can figure out that each box is 30. And then I can solve the question that they were asking for. So what you've got going on today, all right, in your classwork, and we're skipping. Yeah, I think we're skipping some. Yeah, lesson 6. Yeah, say goodbye. All right. But we should end up having in here, all right. Oh, I don't have it in here. Oh my goodness. There's no answer keys for today. Okay, so we're treating this, all right, we're treating this as if you're taking a quiz because now we've seen the information. Now, it's not an actual quiz, it's a practice quiz that's there. What I will have on the homework website, though, are the individual answers that are listed. At least you can check them there. And this way, when you guys come in, we know to get questions answered for you. All right. So yeah, get on that homework website. Obviously, you've been there if you're watching this particular video, but make sure that you're taking care of everything, all right, that's on that particular list. All right, we'll see you later.